In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Adidas running routes private on your iPhone. This is a quick but important privacy update that helps protect your location by hiding the map of your runs from other people. You'll still see your route for your own reference, but others won't be able to view where you started, finished, or the streets you traveled. Start by opening the Adidas Running app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load to the main dashboard. If you haven't used the app in a while, you might see a brief prompt or a banner. That's fine. Just continue to the home screen. Next, head to your profile. You'll find the Profile tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap that and you should see your activity overview and account details. From here, look to the top right corner for the small gear icon. That's the Settings button. Tap it to open your Settings menu. This is where you can adjust account preferences, notifications, and privacy controls. In the Settings list, select Privacy. This section organizes controls that affect who can see different parts of your activity. We're focusing specifically on your maps, which show the route line for each run or walk. Within the Privacy page, look for the Maps section. Depending on your app version, this might be labeled Map Privacy, Map Visibility, or something similar. Open that option. This setting determines who can view the route map attached to your activities. Choose Only Me. When you select Only Me, the app will keep your route details private so other users can't see your path. You'll usually see a check mark or highlight confirming the choice, and in most versions, there's no need to tap Save. Your selection updates right away. That's it. Your routes are now private. A quick note on what this changes. It hides the map line from others, but it doesn't typically remove general stats like distance or time from places where those are visible. Also, if you participate in challenges or share activities to other platforms, remember those services may have their own privacy settings. If your screen looks a little different, it may just be an updated layout. The wording you want is the map or route visibility option, and the choice should include Only Me, Friends, or Everyone. Stick with Only Me for maximum privacy. For peace of mind after your next activity, open it and confirm that only you can view the map. Keeping your route private is a simple step that adds a meaningful layer of safety to your training. Thanks for watching and enjoy your runs with confidence.